I'm going to start with my butter. I have melted butter that has been cooled. My sugar. And my flour. I'm going to give that a whisk. I have my eggs. I'm just going to beat them lightly and add that in my mixture and mix it. I have my oven heating on 350. You don't have to do a real heavy mix, just get it kind of well incorporated. Once you see all of the eggs incorporated, go ahead and add your buttermilk. Get that mix. I'm not gonna make my pie crust. I'm gonna be using a frozen pie crust. Once I get this mixed, I'm gonna pull it straight out of the freezer. It don't have to be pre-baked or anything, just straight out of the freezer. Heat that oven on 350, get it good and hot, and also put in a cookie sheet. Okay? I got that mixed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little salt, vanilla, and last but not least, nutmeg. Nutmeg, that's where the flavor come in the buttermilk pie. So please don't forget the nutmeg. Okay. Once you have it all mixed in really well, go ahead and pour it in that pie crust. I'm going to go ahead and pour my filling into my pie shell. You don't want to fill it all the way up because it's going to rise. So when it gets to that little rim on the pie crust, you want to stop it right about there on the rim. Okay? I'm going in the oven on 350 for 50 minutes. This is 50 minutes out of the oven. I have it on a cooling rack. I'm gonna let it cool for about 2 hours until it gets firm enough to cut.